Welcome everyone. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. My last video that I made, not the last one, the one before the last one, was easy money, very easy money. The previous one, the very last one I made was for an IPO that didn't go public yet, but the one before the last one was easy money, like I said, because I knew the stock would go up. It made a lot of sense. I explained in the video, I'm not gonna go over it. And I had said, guys, that if it goes public at 18 bucks, which it did, that I would buy, right? And the stock as of yesterday after hours, guys, is at 28 bucks. That's awesome. You know, it's $10 per share, all, you know, within a couple of days. That's it. So that was easy. In this video, guys, I am going to show you another stock that is coming up. It is going public on June 14th, right? And I think it's gonna go up, and it's gonna be easy money. For me, personally speaking, not for you. You have to decide for yourself. You have to do your own due diligence. You have to, you know, make up your mind if you think it's good or not. Before I go into that, guys, Ali, I want to thank you. I still use it. I want to thank you for this gift. It's awesome. It's the best, especially in the summer right now. Keeps the water cool all the time. I mean, that's a nice gift. Thank you. All right, so let's focus. Let's find ways of making money, right? Now, before I get to the stock that I want to show you that I believe will go up within the first 10 days of being public on the stock market starting June 14th, let me show you two other examples of things that are going on in my Discord so you can understand what the Bull Market Watch Discord is. And if you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. So one of the things that are going on is day trades. People love day trading. Who doesn't? But we should be very careful. And I would advise that 95% of your money is allocated to something not day trading. But we do like to day trade, and I do very little day trading. And for those who do, in the Discord, KITT, for example, was mentioned in my Discord numerous times from June 6th to, June 6th. Okay, so KITT, guys, at 18 cents, good volume, blah, 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 all kinds of things. And there was more conversations where I couldn't put everything on the screen. There's more conversations about it from June 6th, from June 5th in my Discord, right? 18 cents, for example. Right now it's at 33 cents, almost a 100% gain. So for those who are looking for a Discord where day trades will be mentioned almost on a daily basis, but you shouldn't run after them. You got to do your due diligence, right? You can join our Discord. If you want something more robust, something solid, good picks of great companies, if that's what you're into, and I think most of us should be into, for example, you can look at this. I made a post on my Discord on May 13, 2024. And I said I will start a small position in HPE and look to grow on this by adding every time it's under the current price of 17 bucks. So at the time it was 17 bucks. I explained some things, and there was actually more that I explained. So I'm just showing you a few explanations. There was actually more explanations that I made about HPE. And like I said, it was 17 bucks at the time. I think it was a buy. I thought it was a buy, and I did buy, and I explained the reasons why. And Hewlett Packard Enterprise Company, guys, HP is at $20.60 as of yesterday. So awesome. And let me get back to that video that I told you that I had made, right? Where the stock went from 18 to 28 all within a couple of days. It was this, the thumbnail, if you remember, up 230% plus RAP, the ticker symbol RAP, R-A-P-P. I did a complete IPO review and analysis of it and called it a buy, personally speaking for me. Guys, $28.53 is what it closed yesterday in after hours, which I think is awesome. So guys, the IPO that's going public on June 14, 2024 is Tempest AI Incorporation, ticker symbol TEM. This is a really big company with solid revenues, and you'll see all that. So I'm gonna explain the reasons. So yeah, the IPO price range is going to be 35 to 37. Does that mean that this IPO comes at an undervalued price? You know, is it undervalued? No, I think that it is just like all IPOs. Most IPOs, they come overvalued, and I say most because there are a few IPOs. There will always be that a few good companies that they never look back. I mean, if you remember Care Global, right? I don't know if that was an IPO. I think it was a spinoff, but whatever. That never looked back. I mean, that took off and just never looked back. And there was another one, like I think it was Bioheaven, that never looked back either. Many, yeah. So Tempest AI Incorporation, guys, 35 to 37. They're going to offer 11 million shares. And Tempest AI Incorporation, guys, is a company that uses healthcare data and analytics to improve decision making in the medical field. This is a Chicago, Illinois based company. It was founded to develop its Tempest platform, which gathers data from various silos and combines it with AI driven capabilities to help physicians and researchers improve diagnostic results. Management is headed by founder and CEO Eric Lefkowski, who has been with the company since 2015. This company has focused its efforts, guys, in areas such as oncology, neuropsychology, radiology, cardiology, and they have received, now pay attention, $1.1 billion from investors, guys. Looking at the revenue in 2022, guys, $320 million. Let's go to 2023. From 320, guys, they went to $531 million. That's a 65, nearly 66% increase, all within 1 year of revenue. That's awesome. And for 2024 so far, for the first 3 months of 2024, when we compare it to the first 3 months of 2023, they have an increase of 26% in revenue, which is insane. They're breaking records in revenue every single year. When we look at the gross profit loss, they went from 130 to 286 million, and the gross margin is on an average of about 32%. They have $80 million in cash. They have $809 million in total liabilities, and their free cash flow was negative $284 million, which is a negative, right? Obviously, that's not good. We want the free cash flow to be positive. So we are seeing signs that this company is not profitable yet. Let me know in the comment section below if you think that Tempest AI Incorporation would be a buy if it went public at 35 bucks. And if you are in ticker symbol RAPP, the IPO that I had reviewed at 18 bucks and say would be a buy, and now it's at 28. If you're in it, will you still continue to hold, or are you going to sell now that it's at 28 bucks? Don't forget to join my Discord if you want, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care.